My name is Ongley. I'm the CISO and Global Head of Infrastructure for Russell Reynolds Associates. We are in the executive search and succession business. So we help find leaders for organizations all throughout the world. So our mission critical priorities are always mapped to what our business objectives are. So from a business perspective, we have a mobile first type of approach because we have a workforce that's continuously growing, and we're trying to reduce the physical footprint that we have in offices all around the world. And we have a need, as we have consultants travel so often, there's a need to be able to work remotely anytime from anywhere with any device. We accomplish that through delivering a lot of cloud-based services, and in conjunction with that, we need to be able to have them securely be able to access the services that they require. So to accomplish that, we're developing a new WAN architecture so that we can deliver services across the globe in a more efficient manner for them. So we're redesigning the WAN, we're redesigning our delivery systems for those services, and then we're securing those services through mobile and through any platform. So Gartner has helped me in several different ways, and the relationship with Gartner, I would say, has helped me in several different ways. So I would say I rely on them heavily for advisory services. I really leverage a lot of the presentation type of stuff, board level presentations, and get guidance on how they think I should be delivering that message in a way that helps the business understand what the risks are or what the value is to what we're delivering. When we do a value proposition and I cost out what it would cost to bring in expertise in those areas that I get in the same way through Gartner analysts, it's a lot less expensive from a business perspective to rely on Gartner. From a contract negotiation standpoint, they help us save money on contracts. So there's a bottom line interest there as well that we realize. If I think through, for example, a recent client services contract that we did, not only did Gartner help us bolster that contract by adding a bunch of items in there that would help protect the firm, they also helped to save us a little bit of money down the road by recommending that we combine different services that we were looking at with that one contract. So I think there's a business value from a bottom line perspective sometimes. I use a lot of benchmarking. So one of the things that's very important to the firm is how do we compare to others like us? So one thing that Gartner does very effectively is we're able to map, and in our case, we're part of the professional services organization. So I can benchmark what our infrastructure and operations program looks like as compared to our peers in the professional services industry. Gartner has maturity assessments and maturity scoring programs. So we'll go through that process and understand from a cyber standpoint, maturity-wise, how do we rate against other companies that are like us? And being able to do that goes a long way with other executive leadership and also with our board. So I can really leverage a wide breadth of expertise and knowledge with what I'm paying for on an annual basis and save a lot of time and money in trying to get to where I need to be. I would highly recommend Gartner as a solution to help support whatever challenges somebody's facing. Within my organization, we have membership that extends to several different people. So some of my peers use it, my boss also uses it, but I think we leverage it ultimately for the same thing. And I think the valuable insight and knowledge that the analysts have can really cover the spectrum of every challenge that we face as an IS organization, and really specifically as it relates to the business, because nothing is really successful unless we can turn it around to how we're helping the business grow and how we're helping the business move forward.